Hi, this is Miss Cox, and I'm going to show you how to create your first button in Khan Academy. So this challenge is asking you to change the color of this button when you press the button. So to start, it says, let's start off by coloring the button red when you click anywhere. Okay, so now we need to make an if statement. So if you click anywhere, so I'm going to add that, let's see, we're adding it between this fill and the rectangle. So I'm going to go ahead and put if parentheses mouse is pressed, because we're saying when the mouse is pressed, we're going to do this. And what we want it to do in this case is change the color to red. So I'm going to put fill red. And let me add in the red. There we go. Fill red. Oh, I messed up. Fill, let me try that one more time. Red. There we go. Now it says next step. Well, let's try it out. If I click over here, oh, it changes to red. Now it's really important that the text here, the text needs to make sure, we need to make sure the text is coming after we fill it in, because otherwise it is going to paint over the text. So that's why we have it up here. So the next step, it says, but where is the mouse pressed? Well, we want to make sure it's pressed here on the top of our board, or our screen. So the top of the screen is going to be everything between y equals 0 and y equals 200. So basically we need to set it so that not just if it's pressed, but also if it's pressed and y is between 0 and 200. So I'm going to put and the y, have we set the y as a variable? I don't think so. So I'm going to go ahead and put down if, oh no, actually we already have a variable made for mouse x. So we're going to put, and mouse y in this case. So we're going to say mouse y, and mouse y is less than or equal to 200, and mouse y is greater than or equal to 0. Now, if I click, basically it'll only turn red when I've pressed it, and when the mouse y, the mouse position of y, is between 0 and 200. And I set it so if you're at 0, that it works too, and if you're at 200, it works too.